So welcome back to my channel, and I have the biggest surprise from Japan for you guys. This is the biggest surprise for all my subscribers, straight away from Japan. So let's start. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's check the details. Beautiful. So this is the intro, because soon we will start to walk, and that will be even better than this one, probably, because we will have to walk a lot. But as you guys can see, all the details are so perfect. And here we have the water again, so we will wash our hands to have luck in future. Welcome to my biggest surprise for my subscribers. There is something what I cannot explain you or describe you, and everything what I can record is absolutely beautiful. So follow my video, the next one. This is the first round, so see you in the next one. And don't forget, watch till the end. Like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Straight away from Japan. That's it. See you in the next video. Thank you.